Alright, so we've loaded up the gasser and I'm on my way to take it to its new home in Tennessee. Bit of a trek. 17-hour drive, so just gonna kick back and relax and enjoy this this road trip in the old Jeep here. Well, this morning we say goodbye to the little gasser. It is going to stay here in Tennessee with Eddie Toombs, its new owner. And looks like he's going to like it. It needs a little work, but we knew that anyway. And he's more than enthusiastic to do that work, to make it a little more runnable. Does run like a jackrabbit. But it's a heck of a lot of fun. So why not, right? Alright, time to unload this thing, huh?
Alrighty. Dang. This right here part ain't too bad, Brian.
So we'll take the riding car out first.
Mm.
Because it ain't strapped in anymore.
Good thing is, once it bridges over, that ain't bad. Is that going to be enough room right there for you and Brian to kind of squeeze right there to bridge it over?
Should be.
Okay.
Yeah, decided to take a break from watching wrestling.
Oh, you did?
Funny.
Oh, yeah. You've been watching wrestling for a while.
I forgot watch me some Married with Children. And then Turtles and Twilight Zone. Then maybe Married with Children again.
Yeah?
That's what I need to do instead of binge stuff. Take a break every once in a while and watch something else.
Yeah, that's what I do back there. So just change up.
Alright, pull on a flat car.
Just watch your fingers, Brian.
I'm going to try to push.
See if I can help pull.
On this thing?
Yep.
Yeah.
Damn.
I'm going to lift it up for the coupler pocket there. Coupler pocket in the middle.
Not right here.
Yeah. See if you can. Not underneath your finger.
The car that we're lifting. Yeah. No, that's the engine.
No, right here. Right there.
Gotta lift there.
You can pull forward.
Now, let's get the lead weights off it first.
Make this sound in right.
Do curls of these things.
Maybe again.
Huh?
I said you can, that's for sure.
Alright. Grab your one side, we'll grab your one side. back.
No, I'll get my number.
Once you bridge it over, why don't we just bridge the locomotive on over the car? And I'll put that car frame in the shed later.
All right.
Come with it anyways.
Scrapped your truck, Eddie.
Oh,
This name is Rick.
Oh, heck.
I think it'll buff out though. I think it'll buff out.
Oh,
Down to the bare metal.
It might. Brian just slide it. Yeah, in like that, and then I can deal with it a little after a while. Well, there we go.
Get that camera over there.
No.
There we go. Thank you. Here's how it ended up. That ain't bad.
Not really.
Do it.
That's loaded nicely.
Thank you.
All you need now is some ratchet straps.
I will. I'll get some.
Yeah. All right, so tell us what you really think.
Well, I really think.
Yeah.
Well, Aaron, I'm glad that you came, and for a few days we went to Eagle Point. We ran it till we sheared off a coupler, and then we turned around and broke the chain.
Mm-hmm.
She ran really good. I appreciate you coming and all your valuable time, and we're glad to have the owner of the Mill Brook Railroad to come visit us down here in Tennessee.
Oh, well, thank you very much. I appreciate
and thank
that.
you for the purchase. Thank you very much.
Yeah, it's... At least it's going to a good home, you know?
Yeah, here will be a good home,
Yeah.
and we will be getting her back running after she goes to a small engine shop.
Yep.
And she'll be back out on Eagle Point Railroad again.
Yeah, and just for those who didn't know, because I don't think I made a video of it yet. Well, we'll make it right now. The carburetor needed to be tuned, so I did a rough tune on it at Eagle Point Railroad, and didn't catch any video of that because I had my hands full. I don't have a hands-free holder that works very well for the camera. So it's roughly tuned in, but it's not tuned in right yet. It still backfires a little bit, so it's probably a little lean or rich, or I don't know. I'm not good at tuning these things.
Well, believe me, you're up ahead on me on that one.
Yeah, but I am really good at breaking knuckles.
Yeah, and then you make swing around there and show them that show them the front. Oh lordy!
I come to Tennessee, and the first thing I do is break a knuckle.
But we had a great time, and we went around the track, and you got to see it all, and so did I. And I got even more familiar with the track that I run at. So
Yeah, that Eagle Point Railroad is something impressive.
yeah, have to come see it. Pictures and videos don't do it justice.
That's for sure. That's for sure.
And
And it's all built by hand.
Mm-hmm.
That's the amazing part. So,
Yeah, they couldn't get,
Yeah.
because of the ridge, they couldn't get any, they said they couldn't get any powered equipment, you know, big machines in there.
yeah,
So that's impressive.
it certainly is.
I want to see those photos, yeah.
You're going to have to go with me the next go around. This is my son, Brian.
Thanks, Brian, for helping us unload this.
You're welcome.
He's still waking up.
I think we all are right now.
Yeah, we've got to get Mr. Aaron on his way. He got a long way back to Vermont. So
That's for sure.
we appreciate you coming.
All right, thank you much.
You're welcome.